Did you know of all the homes that were for sale in the month of September, only 20% sold? It's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. The sad fact is many homeowners don't know that math, and that's an important number to know. There were roughly 380 homes on the market, about 76 sold, which means only 20% did, 80% didn't sell. Was that one of your homes? Now, the reason that's important is maybe it matters, maybe it doesn't if it's sold, but if it does matter and you didn't let us know, those that are trying to help you, then we didn't price it right and it won't sell in a timely fashion for you to accomplish your goals. So you could think of it, how long do we want to wait for more money and lose the opportunity we're going to? See, where you're going has to be more of a draw than where you are. Your home isn't going to sell because we can't get it into that price range. Those are the serious questions. Right now, October, November, December, if your home's in the market, keep asking yourself, why are we doing this? And what will we do if our home does not sell? Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.